I just put together this all-terrain trolley and I just put my dog in it and we're just gonna take him for a little stroll. I actually don't know how well it's gonna do on this little bump. Ooh, look at that. Super smooth. Obviously he's like, what is happening? But this is really great. It can hold up to 180 liters. And honestly, putting it together was so simple. All I had to do was snap in the wheels. We're going downhill here. Woo-hoo-hoo! But the coolest thing about this is the fact that it is collapsible. So before I show you how to do that, so of course you have this handle here, which you can bring to 90 degrees. So just depending on, you know, who's pulling it. This is also adjustable in height. There's a button here you just push, and then you can bring that down if you want to. But then let me go ahead and show you how you collapse it. Let's take the little guy. He probably wants to go for a stroll. And so you have this piece in here, and this is actually what's going to wrap around our little trolley here. And I believe we just, check that out. This comes together like this. And then of course our handle, probably should have done that first, but the handle you push down like that. And then all you have to do, if you want to keep it like nice and together, so then that middle piece just wraps around here, and then you can Velcro that up. Handle you want to leave on the outside, and then you've got this here. This is what we use to push it down, to pop it out, and then you can just grab this and go. As you can see, it's super small. You can put this in your car. This is really good, like if you're going camping, if you're going to the beach, you can just load everything up in here and then just drag it along with you. This thing's great.